Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is yesterday's now dry canvas. I'm not thrilled with the way it came out. Or that thing that's right there. Which is now gone. There are no more impedances that I can see. Well, there's one more. I had some black with some problems. So here's the deal. I'm using polypores from Colour Arte along with Prism pores, like so. This one's an older one. This is Hot Orchid. This is its new replacement, which is Pink Diamond, which I've just added some GAC 800 to. I started with these 2-ounce containers and put about an ounce of the polypore in there and mixed whatever color made it saturated yesterday, and today I've added GAC 800 because I had some crazing. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not too bad. Really, mostly fell where I'd already drawn a line or had cell activator. Anyway, so today I'm still experimenting, and this is the perfect thing to do it with, in my opinion. I have some pillow paint, which is white latex semigloss from Walmart. And I've added GAC 800 to it, and some GAC 100, which is just it looks about the thickness of, maybe a little thinner than Floetrol. And I'm going to use some of my own gold. And if you need to ask me what that is, you're welcome to. And then I'm going to go for the claret. And this is called Blue Velvet, and I'll try and have these colors ready for you to see. And I'm going to go with the Frozen. And a little Water Dragon. And back to my Hot Orchid, which I could probably use a little more color in, but no matter what, I love this color. Even if it doesn't shimmer, I love it. And then my Pink Diamond. And my plan is to use the pillow paint to allow things to flow where I want them. I'm also going to catch my paint, and I may put it back onto the canvas. I have decided I'm not going to use yellow right now. I do have a nicer purple. I have another purple. Now this is either African Violet or blue or Twilight Violet, and I'm not sure which. I'll have to find out. But it's there now. And I'm going to use my own Dioxazine Purple from Hobby Lobby, from Master's Touch. It's added into Aussie Floetrol. Matter of fact, I'm going to use some white with that also. Really didn't want to lose that right there. If I had made a really good design, that would have been kind of nice, because then I could have just tipped it a little bit. I want more. I always want more. I want more Hot Orchid to use my black cell activator. To blow into that. I'm going to use some, I believe that this is Neptune's Gaze. And I want a little more over here. And I didn't get out any of my, I'm not sure what this color is. Let's see what this color is. This color is Fandango. I remember it. That's so cool. Is it opening easily? No. Give it a little stir. Now that didn't get any GAC 800 in it. I am going to put a little more. And I'm going to take this, my saucer, kind of want some black in there, honestly. I don't really want to lose all the colors I just added. I see a thing that does not belong in there. Getting really good at grabbing those. If I have any colors that I like that wind up in the dish, I will just put them back on. I am not minding the fact that I threw a little GAC 100, which was ordered by accident or sent to me by accident, one or the other, I'm not sure which, into the pillow paint along with some golden GAC 800. Did I say 100? Because it was the 100 that was the accident. I think I'm going to give myself permission to swipe right there. And right there. It's not in a big hurry to to sell up, but I have some things I like more than what I had yesterday, so I'm okay with that. And whatever happens to show through is also fine by me. I might want to do a little wrecking. I have a basting brush. I thought I had one with short bristles. You know what? I've got this little tool. Not too impressed with my little tool right now, but I'm going to throw a little bit of black, a little bit of medium black in there. Let it integrate for a moment first, and then come right down this way. I'm inclined, wow, I don't have any paint in here. That's amazing. But I am going to use what I can get. I expected more, to tell you the truth. And I like this little blue corner over here that I'm not going to let anything change from yesterday. We'll see how that works out. I want that flower thing to go back to center somewhat. Remove my paint catching dish out of the way. See if there's anything that I want to change. That might be with a straw. I might like to go ahead and add a little more Add a little more flower power. That's what I'm calling it. Or maybe it's some kind of sea creature with long stringy legs. Hard to say. Still pretty cool. It's nice that people have discovered how much fun it is to use a skewer to add patterns and things and move colors around. And I kind of like that pretty well. I don't know what will remain of it. But I definitely like adding new elements. That's pretty cool. She said as she picked up the paint and went, what can I do? Hoping my head isn't completely obscuring everything. Come on, drip off. Thank you. I fear my paint is getting a little thick. So much fun to create shapes. It doesn't really feel like much of a risk. But I'm still happy that I added my GAC 800. All right. I think I'll write. I'm not positive. Oh, darn. I guess I'm not done playing yet. Yeah, I kind of like that actually. I should probably stop playing now, right? I love that blue velvet. I can't help it. Okay. That's pretty cool. I think I'm done for now, and it's a major improvement over yesterday's version for me, and we shall see how that dries. I might be taking and touching up a few of the gaps on my edges just to make it more cohesive, but otherwise, please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I'm going to zoom in for you. No pun intended. No poem made. Oh well. Shh, Priscilla. My email address is below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. You're going to find a 20% off coupon at the top for Colour Arte, for Prism pours, for whatever you want to color art actually. On the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Le Gallerist Clothing Made in Montreal, Society 6, awesome stuff, worth checking out definitely. On my Facebook group you can find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. I'll have even more good stuff to check out. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. You should definitely check out the Colour Arte Prism pours. They are the bomb. I have been enjoying experimenting and learning how to use them for the last couple days very, very much, and I recommend them. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I give lessons one-on-one privately. I do sell my artwork. You can get in touch with me using my email address, which is EASPB, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. My paint pouring recipes of the moment are underneath the video. I will try and update things as I go along. My community board will have tomorrow's video on it at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if I'm posting at the same time. If I'm not, you just look for it. You can always ask me questions if you'd like to. There are over 2,300 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. If you go to playlists on my community, on my channel. And what am I missing? My Amazon link has my 2 books, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2, or Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And they are the first and second 100 videos I made for YouTube with all my ingredients, all my tools, and very explicit instructions. So I want to thank you guys again. Check out the exhibition video on the end screen. It will include the prizes for the monthly drawing at the beginning. If you have made a donation through Patreon, excuse me, I was going to say Patreon. It's still there. If you've used PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link is on the link tree. But you'll get an automatic invitation to get in the monthly drawing. And like I said, you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. And soon I will be including a half-hour consultation as opposed to you having to choose a painting. And there may be calendars coming soon too. All right, I'm going to look for bubbles to pop, and then I'll be done. And I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. That you can be sure of. At least for right now. All right, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. Bye. See you anon. Priscilla out.